What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you this beautiful Squarebody Chevrolet. This thing is one of the cleanest restorations we've ever seen come through. It's actually one that's going to be for sale on our family's dealership. It's great the way it is. Beautiful paint, stock suspension, nice BFGs on the factory rallies. Very tasteful. My brother that runs the auto sales wants to change this thing up and make it more our style. We're no stranger to square bodies. Everybody knows that we love them, we modify them, we have a ton of them. So we wanted to give it back and build this truck to give somebody else the opportunity to buy one already done. You don't have to drop it at the paint shop. You don't have to take it and put a motor in it. You don't have to lift it. You don't have to have the custom wheels built. We're gonna do all that for you. So we're gonna take this grandpa, for lack of better words, looking truck, put an 8-inch kit on it, custom built 15 by 16 wheels, 35-inch boggers. It's going to have a beautiful stance. It's going to look very aggressive, and it's really going to set this truck off. So stay tuned. We're getting ready to get in here and get this thing knocked out.
Bullets in the gun, one shot to the head, I need a blank space. 'Cause everything is a threat, but I never back down, man, I'd rather be making love to face. She look better in bed, and I'ma rock this life till I take my last breath. I wanna make a change. I got one life left, so I'm gonna go down swinging, don't you forget. Everything is so boring, can't get up in the morning. So sick of the mundane and routine, I'm gonna break without warning. I wanna taste the pain, I think I'm seeing all red. 2 bullets in the gun, one shot to the head, I need a blank space. 'Cause everything is a threat, but I never back down, man, I'd rather be dead. I'm making love to fate, and she look better in bed. And I'ma rock this life till I take my last breath, I wanna make a change. I got one life left, so I'm gonna go down swinging, don't you forget.
Alright guys, as promised, one beautifully lifted square body. Like I said earlier in the video, 8-inch Skyjacker soft ride springs, 35-inch boggers, 15 by 16 custom built wheels. This was a great truck before. In our eyes, it's even better now. Like I said, we're square body guys, so if you have any questions or wondering what setup will work for you, drop us a line in the comments. We'd be happy to help. Like and subscribe, guys. We appreciate you.